As a seasoned accounting software, I understand the critical need for seamless access to your financial data, regardless of your internet connection. Whether you're a freelancer on the go, a contractor working on a remote site, or simply facing an unexpected internet outage, knowing whether you can access and manage your accounting offline is paramount. So, let's address the burning question. Can you use FreshBooks offline? The straightforward answer, unfortunately, is no. FreshBooks does not offer a fully functional offline mode. FreshBooks is primarily a cloud-based accounting software, meaning it relies on an active internet connection to access its features and synchronize your data. All your financial information, invoices, expenses, client details, reports resides on FreshBooks secure servers and requires an internet connection to be accessed and updated. Now, while this might seem like a limitation, it's essential to understand the reasons behind this design and explore the implications for your business. Moreover, we can delve into potential workarounds and best practices to mitigate the challenges of limited or no internet access. Why FreshBooks requires an internet connection. The cloud-based nature of FreshBooks offers numerous advantages that contribute to its popularity among small businesses and freelancers. However, these very advantages necessitate a constant internet connection for full functionality. Here's why. Real-time data synchronization. FreshBooks is designed for collaboration and real-time data management. When you create an invoice, record a payment, or log an expense, these actions are instantly synchronized across all your devices and for anyone you've granted access. Offline access would disrupt this seamless synchronization, potentially leading to data inconsistencies and errors. Centralized data storage and security. By storing all your financial data on secure cloud servers, FreshBooks ensures its safety and accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the risk of data loss due to local hardware failures and provides robust security measures that might be challenging for individual users to implement and maintain. Offline access would mean storing sensitive financial data locally, increasing the risk of loss or unauthorized access. Feature updates and maintenance. As a cloud-based platform, FreshBooks can roll out new features, bug fixes, and security updates seamlessly without requiring users to download and install software updates manually. This continuous improvement model relies on an active internet connection to deliver the latest version of the software. Integration with other services. FreshBooks often integrates with other online business tools, such as payment gateways, CRM systems, and project management software. These integrations rely on active internet connections to exchange data and streamline workflows. Implications of no offline access. The lack of a full offline mode in FreshBooks can present certain challenges for users in specific situations. Working in areas with poor or no internet connectivity. If your work frequently takes you to locations with unreliable or no internet access, such as remote job sites or during travel, you might find it difficult to manage your invoicing, expenses, and other accounting tasks in real time. Internet outages. Unexpected internet outages can temporarily halt your ability to access and update your FreshBooks account, potentially disrupting your workflow, especially when dealing with urgent tasks like sending invoices or recording payments. Data entry delays. Without offline access, you might need to resort to manual note-taking for expenses or client information while offline, and then enter this data into FreshBooks once you regain internet connectivity. This can be time-consuming and increase the risk of errors. Potential workarounds and best practices. While FreshBooks doesn't offer a complete offline mode, there are strategies you can employ to mitigate the challenges of limited internet access. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be working in an area with limited internet, try to complete essential tasks like creating invoices or reviewing client information beforehand while you have a stable connection. Utilize mobile hotspots. Consider using a mobile hotspot from your smartphone or a dedicated mobile Wi-Fi device to establish an internet connection when necessary. However, be mindful of data usage and costs. Manual record keeping. In situations where internet access is unavailable, maintain manual records of essential information like expenses, payments received, and work completed. You can then input this data into FreshBooks once you're back online. Be meticulous with your notes and keep all supporting documentation. Export data regularly. While you can't actively work offline, regularly exporting your important data, like invoices, client lists, and reports, as CSV or PDF files can provide a backup and allow you to review information offline. However, remember that this is a static snapshot and won't reflect any changes made while offline. Consider alternatives for specific tasks. For certain tasks, like time tracking, you might explore dedicated offline apps that can later be integrated with FreshBooks or used as a reference. However, direct synchronization won't be possible without an internet connection.